Dennis Brock, and this is my invention, the Magiscope, that I created about 25 years ago. This scope is about 12 years old itself. That's why it looks like that, but most of them probably look like that. I want to show you, we don't get a lot of calls on this thing, but one thing that has shown up over the years is due to the fact that the eyepiece is made in 3 pieces, and that the top can be unscrewed, and it's not too hard to do. We try to tighten them before they go off, but in shipment and with kids coming over and turning it, because people are so used to turning everything, my scope does not really need to be turned. They come and they do that, and what happens is that the top element comes off while the rest is left in the barrel. And this is what I want to show you, is what this looks like to you if this happens. You see a black, really you just see black, and the scope doesn't work obviously well without the top lens. And these lenses have a habit of disappearing. So you know, hopefully you can find the lens, but you first have to take out the old eyepiece, and all you do, the rest of the eyepiece, is put your thumb in, if it happens to be the right size like mine is, and pull it out, just like that. Now if you find the eyepiece top element, all you have to do is screw it back on. It doesn't take much. Sometimes the threads are real thin, so you have to back it off and start again. Usually they spin on like that. Tighten it. Now if you want to, you can have an adult or an older child put a drop of super glue right about in there, and as you tighten that last little bit, it'll lock it in place. But you want to be able to get the eyepiece in and out, because you may want a different eyepiece in there. So that's how you do that. And it really doesn't take much, but you have to find the top element, or else you have to get a new eyepiece, because it's impossible to guarantee against things disappearing. Thank you very much. You take care. I'll see you later.